Welcome to the Southern Football Show, the home of the mighty Port Noarlunga Football Club, the Cockle Divers, Ronnie Crosby on my left, Gray McKinnon on my right. Actually, one day we should reverse this. We should have Gray McKinnon on the left, Ronnie in the middle, and me far out. Left, right, out.
Left, right out. Yeah.
Now, guys, with a hat
like that, you should be.
Well, that's all I've got.
When you got the scarf. God, blimey.
What's with the net?
Well, I'm going fishing. I'm down here with the Cockle Divers. It's nice to go across here. There's a lake at the back here. Bring in some big bloody whiting, eh? And cook that tonight, eh?
Gray, what's the Bigglers impression? What's the
he's a bloody famous snorkeler.
Yeah. Port Noarlunga, mate. Port Noarlunga's
the
Cockle Divers.
Yeah. And Port Noarlunga in the news too. A big win in the Seagrey. We don't often talk about the other.
Yeah, the Emu Empire's fended again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Emus all the boat crushed.
27 in a row between their B's and C's.
Well, so that's the time to lose a game anyway. Now tell us what happened last week there, Grant, on the field, scoring wise. But a couple
I've got it here somewhere.
You have, yep. Following the scriptures nicely.
Yeah, definitely.
Show us how you
Right, Happy Valley.
Good.
18-17, Flagstaff Hill 8 goals 12. Daniel Luke's best for the Valley, and Dave Smith, he's still playing good footy for the Falcons.
Going well, yeah.
Noarlunga 14-5, Booger Shots their best. Christie's Beach 9 goals 9. Noarlunga might be doing a late run. Clayton 11 the best for the Shoes. Aldinga 16-16, got up this time. Glenn McGowan. Hackam Poro and Hackam kicked the first goal, I believe, and that was it. 1 goal 4. Michael 80 their best. Cove 20 goals 11 right here. Daniel Reevil kicking 7 goals. Port 11-9, they were in it for 3/4 I believe, but then it was good night. Blake Lentful played a great game for Port. Ranella 11-8, Paul Muntz their best, and they've got themselves back in the double chance situation with Brighton 7-13, Ben Brooklyn their best, and the Brighton's a big run. Morphy's 26-9, Morphy Vale that is, Ron, not Morphy Park.
Not Morphy Park, right.
Tim Howard their best. Marion 5 goals 7, again West Benny played well for Marion. Morphy Park got up too, Rod, 19-16 with James Elborn their best. Beat the Lions for the second time this year, and they're in the 8th.
I thought about 7th myself, but it could be 7th placing, that's good.
Ryan Sargood, best for the Lions.
Celebration.
Yeah, big 50th celebration, that would come out real well. Everybody danced and been happy and eating, and that's what it's all
Too bad
about.
about the fire alarm, but that's another story. We haven't got time for that one.
We like me right on with everything.
Great. This week's games, now some absolute ball busters coming up, if I'm allowed to say that.
Special.
You're not allowed to say that.
Yep, that's right. And there's you've got a special?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not saying Cove are finished, but they're going to lose by sooner or later. I reckon it's going to be round 7 and round 16.
But great, we've got some big spectacle matches.
Now they will beat them and go back into the.
Gee, that's a big call. The Cobblers will be after you, I think. Anyway, how can you have credibility with that thing dangling by your face? Now, great. When we have some big matches, we have some big spectacles. What have we got for the fans today? This is just working so well. There's going to be a huge.
What's this? Yeah, that's it.
This is just a thing for the sun.
Cove and Ranella will be a big spectacle.
Yeah, I can see Ranella making the double chance.
Right.
Yeah.
Brighton and Morphy Vale at Glenelg Oval this Saturday.
Morphy by a mile.
Yes, I agree with that. Yes, Morphy Vale easy.
Alright, well maybe just. What are some of the other big games? Now Flagstaff Hill.
That's huge. Flagstaff have finished their run with the top 6, and they've got to win this last 3 to shore up their spot.
What about the mighty Cockle Divers? Now we've got Ross Gibbs, one of the trainers, standing in the background. He won't come on camera.
He won't come over. Come on, Ross, come over and have a yarn. Quick, 2 seconds.
He's been on the title of the club here for years and years. So can we say Port can?
Is that the famous Ross Gibbs?
I think it might have been Ross Gibbs who played for Glenelg, or Herschel Gibbs.
Bryce's dad.
Lance Gibbs, or the above.
That's right. Yeah.
Anyway, can Port hang on to a spot in the 6 or the 8?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
They'll make it.
Marion and Moorfield Park, can they hang on to a spot?
I reckon Morphy Parks will get there this year. I reckon they'll be in the top 7. They'll be in the 7th to 8th.
The knockout final. Okay.
Yes,
What's
yes,
where are you going to be this week, Ron? The usual spot?
yes, look, I'll be at
Behind the barbecue?
barbecue there, looking after the barbecue.
Okay. Any Cheerios there, Biggles?
The stingrays, come on stingrays.
Every week.
And I'm
I'll say.
going fishing. I'm down here. I'm going fishing. See you all then.
Well, I'll say thanks to Ross Gibbs for the jumper, the port jumper.
Yeah,
It fits just
very
nicely. Good luck to all
Yep,
the
I'm
team.
going fishing. See you guys later.
Get your
See you
cockle
later.
dive. Let's go
I'm
for a
going. Come on,
dive.
cockle diving.
And I'm going
Let's go,
too. I've
let's
had
go.
enough.
Cockle diving. See ya.